Welcome to the world of General Info 1000. A brief introduction of Indus River.
The Indus River is one of the longest rivers in Asia, flowing through Pakistan, India, and China. It is approximately 3,180 kilometers, 1,976 miles, long and has a drainage basin spanning over 1,165,000 square kilometers, 450,000 square miles. The Indus River is an important source of water for irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, and drinking water for millions of people in the region. The Indus River has its source in the Tibetan Plateau in the vicinity of Lake Mansarovar. It flows through the Indian-administered Jammu and Kashmir region, and then into Pakistan, where it forms the backbone of the country's agricultural economy. It flows through the length of Pakistan, from the northern mountain ranges of the Himalayas and Karakoram through the plains of Punjab and Sindh, before finally emptying into the Arabian Sea. The river supports the country's agriculture, which is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. The Indus Basin irrigation system, which is one of the largest in the world, draws water from the river to irrigate millions of hectares of farmland in Punjab and Sindh. The Indus River is also an important source of hydroelectric power, with several major dams and power stations constructed on the river, including the Tabla Dam, Mangla Dam, and the Ghazi Barotha hydroelectric project. These power stations provide electricity to millions of people in Pakistan. The Indus Delta is the region where the Indus River meets the Arabian Sea, forming a large delta that is one of the largest in the world. The delta is located in the southern province of Sindh in Pakistan and covers an area of approximately 41,440 square kilometers, 16,000 square miles. The delta is home to several species of fish, including the Indus blind dolphin, which is an endangered species. It also provides breeding grounds for several species of birds, including the greater flamingo, which migrates to the delta in large numbers. The delta is also an important agricultural region, with crops such as rice, wheat, and cotton grown in the area. However, the Indus Delta is facing several environmental challenges, including water scarcity, pollution, and sea level rise. The construction of dams upstream on the Indus River has reduced the flow of water downstream, affecting the livelihoods of the people who rely on the delta for agriculture and fishing. The delta is also facing the threat of sea level rise, which could result in saltwater intrusion and damage to the ecosystem. The government of Pakistan has established the Indus Delta Alliance to coordinate efforts to conserve the delta.
Thanks for watching General Info 1000. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.